Aloha, or Uluhane Ho'okano Ko'inoa, and I am the owner of Lemonade Honey Hawaii. Lemonade Honey Hawaii was started in the year 2022. Originally, we started off as farmers markets, and we grew to what we are today. We offer a variety of local beverages. We do coffee, we have little snack items, food and whatnot. I have a strawberry lily koi lemonade. Right now, we're going to be making one of our signature items, which is our strawberry lily koi lemonade. We have our local lemonade that we make with our local Meyer lemons here. Put some strawberries in it. Pour it right into our cup here. And we're gonna top it off with our lily koi lemonade. Lemonade Honey Hawaii. Capture the essence of Hawaii. This mural that we have behind us here was done from our local Aina artist. Her name is Brandy Isla. She is Kanaka Olelo Hawaii from Big Island in Hilo. And so she did this mural for us. Our signature colors, which is pink. So we did a shade of pink. And my name is Uluhane. And so she really wanted to tie that into this business and the mural. And I told her she could have the creative freedom. This beautiful mural with ulu leaves, which is of course traditional to our culture. We're gonna be making one of our other signatures. This is our iced ube latte, fresh milk. Little bit of our ube drizzle. I am very honored and humbled to be able to serve the very community that I grew up in. And I like to think of our space as my love letter to Hilo. Just giving back all the good vibes and everything that I grew up around with all the ohana here. Being Kanaka and from this Aina, it's very important to me. This is the community I want to serve because it's the community that I grew up in that helped me establish my core values that I still hold true till today.